Hello everyone, welcome to the Somnia project. This is the browser provided by the Somnia team. In the home page, here we can go to the faucet page where we can claim testnet tokens and interact in Somnia and mint avatars. Here we can paste our wallet address and claim the Sepolia ETH. Here we can also link our wallet. In the discover events, we can go to the page where we can see the previous events hosted by the team, and we can also see the upcoming events that are being planned by the team. We can also mint our first avatar here, and we can access the avatars that we have created here in this page. This is the avatar that I've created. Here we can even update the avatar or create new avatars. In the quest tab, we can check new quests that are being updated daily, where you can complete this quest and claim points to climb up the leaderboard, where you can have prizes for that. This is the event tab, as I've already discussed. This is the faucet tab, as I've already discussed earlier as well. That's all.